Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of WWE Elite Collection CM Punk Returns action figure available. It was available for pre-order at MattelCreations.com. But I'm going to box the packaging so you guys get a look at the figure. But yeah, it was available at MattelCreations.com. Of course, unfortunately, it's out of stock now. But hopefully one day it will be available at Ringside Collectibles or something. But let me get this out. And wow, here is the packaging for this Elite CM Punk figure, you guys. This is so cool. I've been wanting to get this for forever. All right, everyone, and here is the front of the packaging for this Elite CM Punk figure. Of course, we have CM Punk here in the front. This is from Survivor Series 2023, last year, when he made a surprise appearance, surprise return. Of course, we have the shark cage design here, and it's a picture of CM Punk on the side. Tremendous picture, by the way. Here is the back of the packaging for this Elite CM Punk figure. We have another picture of him here, the summary. It says, the WWE buzzed in anticipation during Survivor Series War Games 2023 in Chicago, Illinois, home to a certain Second City Saint who nobody ever thought would step foot in WWE again. The final bell signaled the end of the PLE when suddenly the opening riffs of Cult of Personality blared throughout the stadium, and everyone knew the impossible had happened. Hell froze over when CM Punk returned to WWE. All right, everybody, here is CM Punk out of the packaging. All right, everybody, and CM Punk comes with cloth goods t-shirt with his signature logo. You have the Chicago flag with his fist holding the lightning bolt, and the X logo, of course, on his taped fist. And then there's Velcro in the back. All right, everyone, and here are the interchangeable hands for CM Punk. You got a pair of open hands and closed-fisted hands. Of course, he's got tattoos on his hands, on his fingers. He spell out drug-free. And on his left hand, I don't know if you can see it or get a read on it. It says, no gimmicks needed. All right, everybody. Here is CM Punk out of the packaging. All right, and I want to go ahead and take a closer look at this plain white t-shirt that comes with CM Punk. Of course, it's Velcro on the back. Definitely useful. This plain white t-shirt is definitely useful for as a prop if you want to put it on other figures and stuff. Very nice. All right, everybody, and here is the face scan for CM Punk. This is today's likeness of CM Punk. So modern day version of Punk. It's really nice, man. They got all the details down and stuff. This is when he had he returned with like shorter, spikier hair, but he grew it out a little bit this time. Of course, this is the upper body mold for CM Punk. Seems like a pretty good choice to me. Now, he's got a lot of tattoos, and he's got a lot of well-known tattoos in real life, but some of them couldn't be shown here for, you know, copyright / trademark purposes. So yeah, going back to the tattoos and stuff, like for instance, he's supposed to have like, I think, a Cobra G.I. Joe type logo on his right arm here, but they didn't even put anything. Of course, they got, you know, get to that in a minute. They were supposed to be obviously like a Pepsi tattoo here. As you CM Punk fans all know. But of course, you know, for the same reason, they couldn't get it there. And I don't blame them. Still, obviously, very cool figure. I like the tattoos, though. Whatever tattoos are on the figure look really cool. They're very well designed and colorful. Yep. And he does come with this watch accessory here. That's on his right arm, his right wrist. And this is the bottom half of his attire. He's got jeans, blue jeans. And it's pretty flexible too, you know. The paint doesn't get stuck or anything. The legs, you can do all the CM Punk kicks. And then you got the sneakers here. I believe they're Adidas sneakers, the shell toes, the superstars. But, you know, there's 2 stripes instead of the 3 in real life. But again, it's fine. All right, everybody, here is CM Punk, fully posed and out of the packaging. I put him with the black shirt and his logo, the CM Punk logo with the CM Punk logo in the front. All right, everybody, here is CM Punk, fully posed and out of the packaging. I put the white t-shirt on him, back, you know, the shirt that he originally came with. And of course, I put the AEW title on him from one of the AEW figures. It's a really cool CM Punk figure. And I know some of you, unfortunately, got some emails saying that your CM Punk figures are going to be delayed. Do you still want it, or do you want to cancel? I know some of you guys got that kind of email from Mattel Creations or something, so I'm sorry about that. But if you pre-ordered it and you didn't cancel, you're still going to get your figure. Of course, just going to have to wait a little bit, unfortunately. But it's okay. It's well worth the wait. It's a tremendous CM Punk figure. All right, everybody. Here is this Elite CM Punk pose alongside some other WWE superstars he's had some matches and programs with. Of course, we have an Elite Brock Lesnar over here. It's an Elite Roman Reigns. Main event, Rock from the 2-pack with John Cena. And speaking of John Cena, here's an Ultimate Edition John Cena. Ultimate Edition, Seth frickin' Rollins. And of course, it's an AEW Samoa Joe figure. Of course, I know CM Punk and Samoa Joe go way back to their Ring of Honor days. And they had a match last year as well in AEW. Yep. Amazing CM Punk figure, you guys. And I know they're coming out with a few more of the modern day looking CM Punks. And I pre-ordered some of them. It's exciting. Alright everybody, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video of this Elite CM Punk. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much for an amazing 2024. I know 2025 will be even more amazing. Thank you guys for supporting me. I wish you guys happy holidays. And until next time, I'll see you guys all later. Thank you guys all so much. Appreciate you. Thank you.